Next new topic is idioms. Okay. Now what do you mean by idiom in English? Who could tell me what do you mean by idiom? Idiom होता क्या English में? Yes, what is idiom? Idiom
Sir,
is
I think when
nothing.
you can't.
Hmm? Yes. Yes. Idiom.
Sir, I think when you can't express in words and in sentences, you make some kinds of kahawat and translate it.
Correct. Idioms are what? Proverbs and sayings. That's it. Proverbs and sayings. Idioms are nothing but the proverbs and sayings. थोड़े हाई लेवल की लैंग्वेज होती है जब आप कोई चीज को बोल नहीं पाते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं? इडियम्स एंड प्रोवर्ब्स यूज करते हैं उसके लिए. मीन्स व्हाट? वहां पर आप कहावतें यूज करते हैं, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे इडियम्स. इडियम्स होता क्या है? थोड़ा हाई लेवल की लैंग्वेज होती है जिसके अंदर आप लोग क्या करते हैं, जब कोई चीज को आप लोग डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल सकते तो उसको इनडायरेक्टली आप जाकर बोलते हैं. इनडायरेक्टली बोलते हैं हाई लेवल की लैंग्वेज में, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे इडियम्स. ओके, इडियम्स. अब इडियम्स होते क्या है? प्रोव्स एंड सेइंग्स होते हैं. प्रोव्स मतलब यानी कहावतें, मुहावरे होते हैं, उसी को इडियम्स बोलते हैं. ओके. इडियम से पहला स्टेज है क्लिशेज का. क्लिशे थोड़ा इन सॉरी cliches are really very informal and very difficult to understand. That's why I think you are unable to make sentences with idioms. Sorry, cliches. Now today we are going to see with idioms. Now idioms we have proverbs and sayings. Let's start one by one. The first idiom is what?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. The first idiom is what? A1. What do you mean by A1? The meaning is really very easy. First class. First class. अपन बोलते ना, how are you? I'm A1. We can say like this. The performance was A1. So A1 is what? Idiom. Idiom है वो. हाई लेवल की लैंग्वेज में awesome को, fantastic को, first class को क्या बोलेंगे अपन? A1. Shortcut. Can you please give me sentences with A1 faster? A1. Yes, A1. A1. Sentences with A1. अरे कितना इजी है भाई. Make sentences please.
Kohli play cover drive. Commentator used to say A1.
Very good. Kohli plays A1 cover drives.
The MS Dhoni play cricket A1.
Very good.
You are teach A1.
I went to A1 Pani Puri shop.
Nice. When I saw him, he was A1. Means what? He was fine. First class now. I traveled in an A1 class. Yes.
While eating tasty food, we have A1 feelings.
He has. Yes.
I'm buy cloth A1.
I buy A1 clothes. Good.
My friend used to say after finishing exam, my paper was A1.
Very good. बहुत easy है. Please make sentences. Yes. Okay.
He found A1 college.
He found A1 college.
My flight was booked in A1 class.
Good. Next, above board. What do you mean
Answer
by above
is A1.
board? Oh my god. Thank you. Yes. What do you mean by above board? Yes.
हद से ज्यादा.
हद से ज़्यादा. Above board. Very good. We can say very honest. Very honest. Or we can say open. Open मतलब यानी bold. Very bold. We can say above board. Bold. We can say. I have my old friends who are above board. Yes. I like above board people. Hello.
The rotten apple is sitting in A1.
Very good. Above board.
I like those people who speak above board.
My
Very good.
family, my friends are above board.
Very good.
My family is above board.
Very good.
My father is A1.
Very good.
Are you above?
Are you an above person? Are you an above board? Are you honest?
The lesson is above head.
Very good. Means what? Very difficult. The lesson is above head. Nice. मुझे भी ऐसे ही लग रहा है कि आप लोग के थोड़ा सर पे जा रहा है हाई लेवल
Those
की इंग्लिश
people
Yes, sir.
above
Yes,
board.
then up one.
वेरी गुड दोस पीपल आर above board.
Max is above board.
Good.
For
I think English is
composition
above.
is above board.
Good. Zainab.
Yes, the English is A1.
This English is A1. Miss Tasmia.
I
may
think you
acceptance
are
says,
above board.
I think you are above board. Good.
The chapter is going above head of the people.
Correct. The chapter is going above head the people.
If
Miss
you not
Tasmia.
Today's class is above head.
Very good. Today's class is above head. I
If you-
can understand it, my dear.
if you not practice
Yes.
what's going on in class, then everything will go above head.
Very
Today
good. Everything will go above head.
is looking A1.
Ah, thank you.
I feel about both when I'm surrounded with good companies.
Good.
As compared to other languages, English is A1 language.
Good.
The story is A1.
Very good. The story is A1.
So what means of A1? First class.
A1 means what? First class. Amazing. Good.
By telling answers, story is A1.
Nice.
Just because of foreigner accent, Indians face
Indian face.
Indian their English goes above head for Indian
Correct.
just because of their accent.
Correct. Yes.
It's above head to me to stop eating sweets.
Very good. Very good. Goss.
The
I am learning
The-
English above head.
this lecture gone is
Talking to
above.
girls is above head. Mufiz.
Today English class is A1.
Today's English class is A1. Yes. अच्छा आप लोग को मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं लैंग्वेज के अंदर?
Yes,
Most-
Amrita.
बहुत creative language है English.
क्रिएटिव पर ये जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ उससे ज्यादा क्रिएटिव है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये जब आप लोग बाहर जाके यूज करेंगे सामने वाले सर पे गिर जाएगा एकदम.
क्या बोले?
बोलेगा ओ माय गॉड. यस कंटिन्यू. मुझे मालूम नहीं था अपने को थोड़ा सा ऐसे जड़ जा सकता है.
So what to speak tomorrow?
डोंट वरी माय डियर. अभी क्लास बाकी है. अभी
He
अपन बोलेंगे
knew
आगे
above
करना है.
head.
डोंट वरी. अबव हेड. वेरी गुड.
The language of Max is going above board.
वेरी गुड.
If we not focus on listening, then topic will go above head.
वेरी गुड.
Keeping a
The
trust in
people in India are above head.
वेरी गुड. ये बहुत ही जबरदस्त लैंग्वेज है जो मैं भी पढ़ा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. इट इज रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक एंड आई रियली लव इट. आप लोग सुनेंगे तो बोलेंगे अरे यार क्या क्या जबरदस्त चीज है. सीखो इसको, सिर्फ समझो एंड ट्राई टू मेक सेंटेंसेस विद इट. यस मिस
An
तस्मिया, मेक
interview is
सेंटेंस.
above head when you will not prepare.
In our
Very good,
chapter
very
of
good.
accidents.
बताता हूँ ना, पहले इसको कंप्लीट तो करो. मिस तस्मिया कंप्लीट योर सेंटेंस प्लीज.
So which one?
You were saying something. Repeat once again that.
Yes, sir.
When I come mid of the lecture, everything goes above my head.
Good.
Keeping your trust on today's reality is above the head.
Good.
Knowledge is above head.
Use-
Knowledge is above
To
head.
use, to use laptop is above head.
Very good.
To use a computer is able.
Very good. Yes.
It's above head for me to become a cold shoulder for someone.
Very good.
This
Now-
machine is above head
Very good. Yes, this
when you will
machine.
not read the menu.
Good.
The
English is
class,
above head if you don't practice. Yes.
class is going A1.
Good. Okay. A chapter of accidents means what? आपकी लोकल लैंग्वेज में बोलूं इसको क्या मतलब है इसका? हेलो.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
आपकी
Sir,
लोकल
my
लैंग्वेज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
hello,
Yes.
sir. Your voice is not coming. Yes.
Hello.
Hello. Sir.
Sir, it's coming, sir.
Yeah. Have a look here. आपकी लोकल लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं पता है इसको? चैप्टर ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स मतलब पनौती. आप लोग बोलते हैं ना बहुत बड़ा पनौती है ये. So that panoti in English is called a chapter of accidents. A chapter of.
English is a chapter of accident.
अरे shut up. बोले English is a chapter of accidents. अरे यू खतालू.
Panoti.
बोले English पनौती है. अरे यू रतालू. Yes, English is not a chapter of accidents. अपन बोलते हैं ना कोई कोई लोग रहते देखो अपनी लाइफ के अंदर हर टाइम रोते रहता है कुछ ना कुछ इसके साथ में बुरा हुआ रहता है. पनौती
While-
एक नंबर का. That पनौती is what? A chapter of accidents.
COVID-19 disease is a chapter of accident.
2020 was the chapter of accidents.
I am a chapter of accident.
Oh my god, मैं बहुत बड़ी पनौती हूँ. I guess सहेली कुछ भी बोल रही क्या?
My friend is
Yes,
a chapter of accidents.
very good. My friend is a chapter of accidents. पनौती है बहुत बड़ा. Yes,
A rotten apple is chapter of accident.
correct. A rotten apple is a chapter of accidents. Yes,
So may I know the meaning of panoti?
पनौती. पनौती को क्या बोलते हैं उर्दू में हिंदी में? मनुष्य.
सर अगर वो हाँ
मनुष्यत. मनुष्यत.
While walking, cat goes in front of us. Indian used to think it's a chapter of accident.
Very good. Indians have considered black cat as a chapter of accidents. मनुष्य समझा जाता है इंडिया में. Yes.
I think you are a chapter of accident.
Oh my God, I think you are a chapter of accidents. तू सबसे बड़ा पनौती है. Yes. Continue.
When teacher is strict in exam hall, then student say is a chapter of accident.
It's a chapter of accidents. Good. But not exactly this चाहिए मुझे. It was really very good. 2020
In my
was a chapter of
school-
accidents.
In my school, the children are accident of chapter.
Okay. 2020 was a chapter of accidents. 2020 जो था एकदम पनौती था वो. Yes, continue.
है सर.
Those who illness in hospital, their life has chapter of accident.
Okay. पनौती हो गई उनकी
The-
life.
In my building, one uncle is a chapter of accident.
Correct. In my building, one uncle is An uncle
Your
is a
car
chapter
is
of
a
accidents.
chapter of accident. Your car is
Car-
a chapter of accident.
Very good. Your car is the chapter of accidents. पनौती एक नंबर की कार आपकी. Good. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना
When my
कि जैसे कि नहीं क्या मुश्किलों का पिटारा है पूरा वो. That's what a chapter of accidents. मुश्किलात का पिटारा है वो एकदम. मुश्किलात का बॉक्स है एकदम. डिफिकल्टीज का बॉक्स है. Yes, madam.
His
Continue.
phase of chapter of accident.
Okay.
After back-to-back failure, we started thinking days are going a chapter of accidents.
Very good. Miss Tasmia. Miss Zainab.
When we
Mr.
are
Mujahid.
The Marathi is
Chapter.
Yes.
accident. The Marathi is a chapter of accident.
Marathi is a chapter of accidents. Don't say like this. It's a language.
His
When I
marriage
was
is
they-
chapter of accident.
when we are in
Good.
cash 22, then it's just like a chapter of
Yes.
accident.
Good.
A BJP party is a chapter
Achilles
of
heel.
accident.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Achilles heel. What do you mean by Achilles heel?
His
No idea.
intelligence is chapter of
Weak points. Weak points. What was your Achilles heel in college time? आपका weak point क्या था college time में? English was my Achilles heel in my school time. Yes, continue. What's your Achilles heel, Sahil? Uzma, Najma, Salma.
Sir, no one.
When I beat my friend, he is chapter of accident.
It became the chapter of accidents. Yes, Achilles heel means what? Weak point. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कमजोर पहलू. किसी का weak point, किसी की कमजोरी.
My friend is Achilles heels.
My Achilles heel. मेरा दोस्त मेरी कमजोरी है. हा इतना प्यार उससे.
Lack of confidence
Sir,
is one.
it's difficult to pronounce.
Achilles heel.
Achilles heel.
Lack of confidence is one of the biggest Achilles heel in human beings.
Very good. Achilles heel. Achilles heel. Yes. What's your Achilles heel? Yes, Achilles heel.
The camera is Achilles for the people.
Yeah, facing a camera is Achilles heel for the people. It's a weak point. Achilles heel, weak point. Yes, Achilles heel.
My family is Achilles.
Very good. My family is my Achilles heel. मेरी family मेरी कमजोरी है. Good. Continue. Speaking in public is his Achilles heel. Public में बोलना उसकी कमजोरी है. Weak points.
Debutant player fail Achilles heel in international cricket.
Very good. Playing international for debutant player is an Achilles heel. Weak point होता है उनका. Yes. Yorker is the Achilles heel of that batsman. Weak point, कमजोर पहलू.
The game is Achilles heel for me.
Correct.
My
PUBG is my
my
Achilles
strength
heel.
is my strength is an Achilles heel for me.
हाँ, मेरे स्ट्रेंथ ही मेरा वीक पॉइंट है. अरे यू रतालू, ऐसे कैसे बोलेंगे अपन?
सर मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा करने के लिए, मतलब वही मेरा ये है वीक पॉइंट,
Okay,
मतलब मैं बहुत
okay.
ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ बताता हूँ.
You can
If
say something else as well. Namrata Sushmata is my Achilles heel.
Well, sir.
Yes, always. Yes, weak points.
My friend is Achilles heel for me.
Very good. My friend is my Achilles heel. मेरी कमजोरी है मेरा दोस्त. इतना प्यार दोस्त
My
से.
if we
Yes,
are addicted to social media a lot, then it's Achilles heel for us.
correct. Social media is the Achilles heel for people nowadays. कमजोर पहलू है.
when
उनका weak
people
point
are
है.
when people speak in camera, they are Achilles heel.
Very good.
PUBG is Achilles heel for gamers.
Correct. PUBG is the Achilles heel for gamers.
2020 is a Achilles heel for me.
Weak point है मेरा. Not exactly. My family is my Achilles heel. I'm trying to find Nirvan's Achilles
My
heel.
sister is my Achilles heel.
Correct. मेरी बहन मेरी सबसे weak point है.
My
Taking
phone is my Achilles heel.
Good.
taking lightly anything is an Achilles heels.
Very good. Achilles heel.
Answer, sir. English is my Achilles heel. Sir, joke.
Continue. I don't take it seriously यार. Relax. मैं seriously कभी लेता ही नहीं हूँ.
My parents are for me Achilles heel.
Correct. My parents are Achilles heel for me.
The apple is Achilles heel.
Good.
I think also.
Yes.
Not
Acid test.
understanding in very first time is my Achilles heel.
Very good.
My father is Achilles heel for me.
Very good. What do you mean by acid test? Acid test.
Real result.
Yeah. Get the real results. Means what? What do you mean by
सच्चाई से
acid test?
सच्चाई से उसको ना.
हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, my father will take the acid test. मतलब यानी आज मेरे डैड दूध का दूध पानी का पानी करेंगे. Yes or no? What is दूध का दूध पानी का पानी? Chalk and cheese. Chalk and cheese. Chalk and cheese. Make chalk and cheese. I will make chalk and cheese today. Means what? आज मैं दूध का दूध पानी का पानी कर दूंगा. Make chalk and cheese. Make chalk and cheese. दूध का दूध पानी का पानी. Means what? Expose everything to the truth. To the truth. Yes, acid test. For example, Ram has taken the acid test from Sita after getting back from the banishment. What do you mean by banishment?
No idea,
Vanvas.
sir.
Vanvas. Vanvas. What is Vanvas?
No idea, sir.
वनवास क्या था? मतलब पनिशमेंट से. बैनिशमेंट. वनवास. लॉन्ग पनिशमेंट. जब वो लॉन्ग पनिशमेंट से वापस आया था, वनवास काट के वापस आया था, बाद में ऐसे कुछ स्टोरी है उनका, मुझे एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है. तब उसने क्या किया था? उसने सीता का टेस्ट लिया था. सीता अच्छी है कि नहीं है. एसिड टेस्ट. He has taken acid test of Sita. Acid test. Give me sentences please with acid test.
Are you
Yes.
acid test?
Good.
My family is acid test.
No, my dear. Today is my acid test that I'm going to attend my final exam. आज मेरा सच्चा इम्तिहान है.
Sir, your voice is scratching. Can you tell what means of acid tense once more time?
Acid test means what? To get the real results means what? हम लोग बोलते हैं ना आज मेरा असल एग्जाम है. That's what acid test. आज मेरा ओरिजिनल एग्जाम है. आज पता चलेगा कितना सच्चा हूँ कितना झूठा हूँ. As she caught him, she took the acid test.
Playing on green track is acid test for batsmen.
Very good. Very good. It is an acid test for India to win the match in the World Cup. Tomorrow is the acid test for India. Indian team के लिए कल acid test है. Yes.
My friend is acid test.
My friend took the acid test.
Yes.
Yes.
Facing camera is the acid test for us.
Very good. Yes. Facing camera is the acid test.
Are you acid test today?
No.
सर वादे को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Promise.
To complete our promise is acid test.
Okay. Okay. वापस हार्ड जा रहा है आप लोगों को.
Yes, sir, it's very hard.
Okay, act of God. What do you mean by act of God? Unexpected things. Or unexpected accidents. Act of God. Can you please give me sentences with act of God?
In future, what would be happen is unexpected things.
No. In future, whatever will happen, it is an act of God. Corona was an act of God.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Continue.
The people are accept God.
No. Mujahid, make sentences, please. Act of God. Miss Tasmia. Act of God. Tsunami is an act of God. Earthquake is an act of God.
Sir, what mean of tsunami?
Tsunami. बाढ़. पानी वगैरह घुस जाता है देखो.
Yes, yes.
सैलाब.
Same. The
Result doesn't come according to my expectation is like act of God to me.
Yes. Yes, act of God.
the people are active God.
Very good. The people are of act of God. The people saved is an act of God. Yes. Continue. Yes.
No, 90s, no one thing about electronic cars. It's like act of God nowadays.
Correct. Act of God. Yes. Act of God.
Nowadays, weather is like act of God.
Correct. Weather is an act of God. Yes. Sentences, please. Act of God.
If we practice daily, things could be happen as per us, and it's act of God for people.
Correct. Act of God. Yes. Yes.
If we believe ourselves, then act of God is also happen.
Okay. Yes. Add fuel to the fire. Add fuel to fire. What do you mean by this one? Add fuel to the fire. भड़काना. भड़काने को अपन बोलते हैं ना, काहे को भड़का रहे मेरे अब्बा को तुम. Add fuel to the fire. Add fuel to the fire to make a difficult situation worse. Already पहले था, उसके अंदर और तुमने भड़का दे लिया. Make a difficult situation worse. Add fuel to the fire.
सर छुपाने को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
Hide. She was adding fuel to the. Her comments were adding fuel to the fire. उसके comments मैटर को और बढ़ावा दे रहे थे. Please don't add fuel to the fire. Yes.
To hide failure, people used to add fuel to the fire.
Very good. Add fuel to the fire. Yes. Add fuel to the fire. क्या सच में इतना टफ टॉपिक लिया हूं मैंने?
सर थिंकिंग के एकदम सोचा नहीं था कि इतना आज लेंगे. एकदम से ऐसा हार्ड मिल गया तो डिफिकल्ट जा रहा है.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं एक दूसरा टॉपिक सोचता हूँ. इंशाल्लाह पहले बोलेंगे, फिर उसके बाद में हम लोग ये ले लेंगे फिर बाद में. आज नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम करते हैं इसको कंटिन्यू. देखते, बट स्टिल बहुत ज़बरदस्त चीज़ थी जो मैं पढ़ा रहा था आप लोग को. ही ऐसे लेवल का लैंग्वेज किसी को आता ही नहीं है, थोड़ा हाई लेवल का हो गया ऊपर. So I believe that you should practice at home, and if you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask me directly. All right? I'm really sorry for this one.